In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can download a Windows 10 ISO file from official Microsoft website. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go here into Google and then you want to search for Windows 10 ISO download. Now, once you're here, you want to go here into this first link. It says download Windows 10 disk image or ISO file. And now from here, when you go here normally, and as you can see, I don't have the download option for the ISO file available. I only have the update and then download now button. So I have a workaround on this on how you could get that option. So first is that you want to go into your Google Chrome. Make sure that you're using this one. This is much more preferable, but you can also use other browser, but I can't guarantee that it would work there. So it's best if you use Google Chrome in doing this. And then once you're here in this website in Google Chrome, you want to click here on three dots right here on the top right, or you can just simply tap or press F12 on your keyboard. But if you can't do that, then you can go here into more tools and then go into developer tools just to open this up. Now, once you have opened this, you want to navigate here into the three dots right here on the top right again. And then now you want to go into more tools and then you want to go into network conditions. And then this would now open up right here at the bottom. Now you just simply want to deselect or uncheck, use a browser default. And from here, you want to choose Chrome OS, which is this one. And then once you do that, all you have to do now is go back in here and then refresh the page. And from here, as you can see, we now have this option. So we now have a different one. And from here, we can now exit the developer tool. And now we can proceed here and select our Windows 10 edition for the ISO file that we would want to download. Just click on confirm and then follow the on-screen process. And now as you can see right here, it's now loading and now select the product language. I'm just going to go for English, confirm. And then let me show you on the ISO file being downloaded. And from here, as you can see, it downloads Windows 10 English 32-bit or 64. I'm going to go for a 64 right here. And now here it is. It has now been downloaded. As you can see, when I click here, I have now the ISO file downloaded, but I have duplicated it just like that. So yeah, this is the ISO file from Windows 10 from the official Microsoft website. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.